5th of March 2017 and it's 4:15 in the evening. And you must be wondering where I am right now. It's Sector 62, the nearby Stellar IT Park, as you can see. The Samsung building, and this is the Stellar IT Park where I am right now. I am now going to review the silencer which everybody likes. The bass of the sound and the thump of the silencer is pretty awesome, as I've also already seen the videos of this silencer also. So this is the silencer that I'm talking about. So this is the Shark silencer. So as you can clearly see, the silencer is having shape of the fish called shark. So that is why this is called Shark silencer. So just listen the exhaust sound of this silencer. So guys, you have listened this exhaust sound of this Shark silencer, and it has a very good bassy and thumpy sound. And there are three categories of the silencer. The one that is fitted in this classic 350 is of 1700 rupees, the of 3000, and second is of 2200. So this is the basic, and this is not my bike basically. This is my friend's bike, Nitin. So, Nitin is busy in some work, so I'm just reviewing it. And he told me that this silencer cost him rupees 1700 from Karol Bagh market. Yeah, Karol Bagh market is the basic bullet market, or the basic hub of all the Royal Enfield bikes in NCR region. So Nitin told me that yeah, it is affecting the efficiency of the bike, because before fitting this silencer on his bike, the mileage he was getting was more than 35 or more than 36. But now after changing the silencer, the mileage he is getting now is 29 to 32. So yeah, it is affecting 2 or 3 kilometers per liter below than that. So this is the main reason for this silencer. But if you are really interested in fitting this silencer on your bike, so you should go for this silencer. But yeah, mileage is the basic concern that everybody likes, everybody wants, and mileage should not get affected. If you are looking to change the silencer on your Royal Enfield bike, so you should consider these things also. But that's whatever I told you in this video. So you can go for this silencer if you are not thinking of 2-3 km per liter of mileage. As I've already mentioned in the previous video, that if you are good in buying, if you are good in bargaining capability, so you can take this silencer below 1700 also. You can fit this silencer on any of the Royal Enfield bikes. So it is very good. It is a bassy. It is very good. I feel like it is better than Wild Bull silencer in terms of sound and in terms of thumb. Do watch the previous videos of Wild Boar and Dolphin silencer in the channel. So if you are not sure which silencer you should go for, I'll be uploading a new video in few days after this video. So in which I'm gonna tell you which silencer is the best silencer for Royal Enfield bike. If you want that silencer also, you can check out the video. I'll be giving the link in the description box also. So for now, just stay tuned to the video, just stay tuned to the channel, and it's goodbye from my side. It's a bit hot in Delhi right now. Presently I'm in Noida, so it's a bit hot, but it's okay. Now the weather is getting good. So, and please do hit the like, share and subscribe button if you're enjoying the videos. If you want me to cover anything regarding this video or regarding any other video, so please comment down in that video. I'll be surely answer you. So for now, just goodbye. Take care. Ride safe, ride happy, ride confident, and do wear your riding gears. So thank you so much for watching this video. It's goodbye. It's good night. Take care.